$1,200 profit in one day with Clickbank affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. Now, as you can see over here, I opened brand new Clickbank account just for this purpose of showing you exactly, as you can see over here, how you can get these same results by duplicating this new strategy in 2024. Now, my purpose was to go into manifestation niche. Now, stay until the end of this video because I'm going to show exactly, as you can see over here, how you can get the same results and how you can have this live, as you can see, right? Because thanks to being super affiliate, I was able to travel, as you can see over here, to many places. You can reach out later here to me. But first of all, let me show you how this is done, right? So you can go and understand exactly to duplicate and install this method, right? Let's go straight into it. First of all, I'm talking about Facebook ads, right? There are many different ad networks. You heard about Google ads, TikTok ads, Taboola, Outbrain. Those are some of the less known affiliate ad networks where you can place your ads and make money. Now, why I'm talking about Facebook ads is because recently lots of people have been talking about YouTube ads. So when everyone is zigging, we are zagging. It means we are doing the opposite. Heck, why we are getting better results, right? Keep in mind, when you're running any ads, it's about attention with intention. What do I mean by that is, you see, attention with intention, without intention, it means you're getting people to click on your ClickFunnels landing page or lander, pre-sale page, whatever you want to call it, website. They're only curious to see what that weird, ugly image that you put on your Facebook ad or YouTube ad, it's all about. They're just curious to know what is on the other side. As you know, maybe me and you, if you're anything like me, you scroll to your YouTube or TikTok, you see some weird image, some weird ad from Facebook, and you click on it just because you're curious what is on that site. But you're not buying, you're not swiping your credit card at the end. Am I right? Does it make sense, right? So what you have to keep in mind when you're running ads as an affiliate, as a newbie, as a beginner, is attention and intention is buyer. I mean, there must be buyer's intent, buying intent. And how you can get this, as I'm going to show you right now, is by having the right message to the market match. Once you have that, then you will finally be able to generate these crazy results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? So most people, right, who are running ads are just sitting on the sidelines waiting for the audience to go, oh shit, I have a problem, right? And then they come into, as you can see over here, into the solution state of mind, and then they buy. It doesn't work this way, right? If you're doing that, you're wasting your time and money on ads, on affiliate marketing. Because most of gurus, again, it's not your fault. Maybe you have been taught this method, but it doesn't work anymore, right? You cannot expect someone to go on your Facebook ad or Google ad, click on it and buy without having five pre-sale points on your landing page. It means we have to get a person, as I'm going to show right now, right? We have to get people into the problem state. Now they have a problem. They know they have a problem, right? Me and you, we have a problem. Now what is the next step? We have to get them through our ad copy, through our lender, to become solution aware, right? So they have a pain, they have a problem. Now they're aware, psychologically aware of it, right? And then we move them again with 5 pre-sale points that we are using together. Once we work together, you'll be able to see exactly how the beauty of having 5 pre-sale points. And if you miss one of the pre-sale points, you will lose money. But if you have all of the 5 pre-sale points on your landing page, you will be able to convert a person from being in the problem state to get them and move them like a needle to the solution state. And once that happens, my friend, then you make money. Then you get a sale, right? So they have to be either problem aware or solution aware. And then you have also low hanging fruits, which are product aware already, and most aware. They know they have a problem. They are fed up with the problem. They just want a new way out, and they buy the product. Okay, let me show you over here, as you can see, right? Let's go back. Let me tell you, let's go to the facts. Is it true? Answer this for me, that people are spending money online 24/7. 24/7. If you go on Google and see how big is e-commerce market around the world, you'll see people are buying stuff online. Is that true? True, right? So the reason I'm saying you this is because if you get only one sale for for $50 or $150, you, my friend, you could be making over $5,000 per week or per month with all the upsells. Later I'm going to show exactly the math, exactly the simple, easy steps that you can take today to start generating those results. And it doesn't matter where in the earth you live, right? As long as you are serious. Let me show you here. So our goal is with Facebook ads to create more buyers, because at any given point, right now, as you watch me listening to my voice, there are 10% of buyers. Those are the people who buy anything, right? But 90% are non-buyers. Those are people who will not buy immediately, but they will buy once they are problem aware and solution aware, right? So everyone else on Clickbank is competing for those 10%, and me and you, because we are smart, we are competing. We are not actually competing. We are creating buyers of those remaining 90%. Okay, so we get people into the problem state and move them to the solution state where buying decisions are naturally made. You see? So let me show you now. High intent audience, it's ads. When we put ads in front of people with intent, we get sales. And ads in front of people with no intent is no sales. It's easy as that, simple as that. No big deal, right? But once you see the bigger picture, once you have someone you can look over their shoulder as they helping you over the Zoom call to set up those ads, then you will naturally begin to become aware that this can also happen for you once you give yourself this gift, a chance, an opportunity, right? So as you can see, people are searching on Google even every single day. 88 billion Google searches every single month. You know what is that? 88 billion. And don't tell me you can't make even one sale or two sales a day for $100. That's $6,000 to $12,000 per month that could be into your bank account, right? If 88 billion people on Google search for how to lose weight, it means there is a huge demand for this stuff, for this specific niche. Okay, you can go to the smaller niches where have millions searches per month, and even if you extract 1 or 3 sales a day, you're making over $20,000 per month, or $1,000 a day, which can be yours, right? So, is this you? Are you asking yourself, okay, so what should I sell? What do I build? I'm not savvy with IT. I don't know how to build ClickFunnels landing pages. What do I say in my ads? How to structure my ads? Okay, I understand you, because I know how you feel. I used to be there. And let me tell you one secret, you don't have to do anything yourself. Okay, if you're serious, you can get it done together with you and done for you. So basically, you install like a CD cassette, like a USB in your laptop. You install this method, you install done for you landing page with 5 pre-sale points, and then plug your traffic, run audiences, promote it with Facebook ads. Now maybe you're scared to run ads because in the past you lost money or you didn't make any money, and I understand you. All right, but let me show you exactly how this is done. Okay, but first of all, let me tell you, if you're serious, I need a guarantee from you, and this guarantee is this: if you have 3 times per week, let's say 3 days in a week, doesn't matter which day, can be Monday, Sunday, Wednesday, doesn't matter, and 20 to 30 minutes max for a Zoom call, and $20 minimum a day, right? To make $100+ a day, then this is the right opportunity for you, right? To make it happen. Now, how fast can you make money? Let me give you an example. Let's say that we have a front-end product on Clickbank, which is usually priced at $47. So let's say those are commissions, right? You are making $47 or 90% affiliate commissions on the front end. Okay, first product, $47. Then what happened next is upsell 1 for $97 and upsell 2 for $197. So it means we have 4 different products. At the end, we have downsell for $67. Now look the magic. It means if you calculate the entire funnel, it means entire product funnel, it's $408. Now you as an affiliate, my friend, you earn 90% commissions on Clickbank. It means that with one person who buy the entire funnel, right? For example, I go on Facebook today, I set up Facebook ads for $50 a day. Okay, $50 a day, and let's say I get 100 clicks. Out of 100 clicks, let's be realistic. Let's say only one person buy out of 100 people, one person buy. How much have I made this day? I spent $50 and my commission is $367. Do you see the magic now? Do you understand the beauty of affiliate marketing and how this can happen for you as you watch this video right now? Do you see? This is the entire funnel. This is your affiliate commission, and that's why most of the people are scared to run ads. Let me show you. Let's do math. Let's say you spend $20 per day. You're making $347 profit per day with only one sale. One person buying the entire funnel. Let's say we spend $100 a day once we're making profit, of course. Even less, for example, let's say that you're spending $100 daily and you're making less profit. You're still making $267 profit per day with one person. Do you see why you don't have to be scared of spending money on ads once you have someone who can be beside you, hand-holding you, and show you the ad structure, the anatomy of ads, how the ads are built, how our eyes are scanning on mobile phones, on mobile devices, the psychology of ads. Once you know that, then you'll be able to finally getting the results, right? Now, you can see over here, one of our people, right, spending $600, let's say $700 on ads and pull out $4,500, $4,400 back in a day, right? As you can see over here. So it's all possible. Now, this person, English is not their first language, okay? They're not from US, so if you're US, you have advantage. If you're in Canada, you have advantage because you don't have to be perfect in English to do this. You don't have to spend a lot of money. No, but if you're serious and you really want to get it dialed in and start having results in 2024 and duplicate the same method and install it for yourself, then of course, you could be the one getting these kind of results. Now, think about this. If you're saying, oh, I don't have money, oh, it's too expensive. Think about this. If you're spending $5 on Starbucks coffee every single day, or $4 or $9, whatever, right? Per year, you are spending already almost $2,000 US. $2,000 US annually, right? Or even more, some people $10,000 for different drinks. Think about this, what you could do with extra few $1,000s you can invest in yourself today and start generating these great results, right? What you could do next as you watch this video is you can message me on Instagram, as you see before, message me on Facebook, WhatsApp, my private number is there, and also email. So everything is in the bio, in the description below under this video. You can subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.